Hello, my name is Alan Pate, and my feasibility proposal for Washington State University's Capstone A course is for linen tracking solutions. Linen management and control is a multi-billion-dollar industry, largely affecting both hospitality and medical market segments. It has been documented that losses from theft, damage, and mismanagement cost businesses upwards of 30% of their linen operating budgets. A simple, passive way to track items through an organization's process is vital to cut operating and replacement costs. Once improved, linen tracking and management can increase serviceability of expensive bed linens at luxury hotels as well as extend the wear for professional uniforms in hospitals and other industries. By providing a simple yet effective way of decreasing linen loss, linen tracking solutions can partner with large organizations in an effort to streamline supply chain processes for our customers. Linen Tracking Services specializes in using radio frequency identification devices, RFID, to tag each linen item with a small device that can be tracked passively with RFID readers placed at key locations within an organization's service line. The information gathered from the RFID readers can be then synced in real time with company servers and accessed through a secure website for customers to determine how much inventory they have on hand, what is out being cleaned, how many wash-dry cycles a particular item has gone through, and the chain of custody during movement and shipping. Small trials of this type of service has been done at hotels in California, and the results have been astounding. Loss percentages that typically run 25 to 30% drop to below 5% with just the addition of the passive RFID tracking system. This decrease in loss is incredibly important to hotels and hospitals, as high-quality linens can be quite expensive and in many cases are imported from upscale manufacturers. I want to highlight that the idea of business as usual and that of 20 to 30% of inventory should be considered a loss is an unacceptable business practice and can be improved with the use of technology and better process design. The simple, reliable, and ruggedness of the technology and support services cannot be understated. Large multinational and multi-site organizations spend hundreds of thousands of dollars annually on their linen budget, of which almost 1/3 is due to loss from theft and mismanagement. Business as usual is a dead-end solution to linen management for most organizations. Both total available markets and served available markets are quite large in the United States alone due to the population, infrastructure, business, commerce, tourism, and healthcare market strength. These factors give both the hospitality and healthcare market segments a strong forecast towards continued industry growth. As such, Linen Tracking Solutions wants to be their service provider for all linen tracking needs. 621 million pounds of linen is used annually in both market segments. Due to the widespread unavailability of our proposed type of products and service, it is my estimate that the TAM is being underserved and likely represents the serviceable segment we are focusing on. By thoroughly understanding the customer's needs, I feel that Linen Tracking Solutions can effectively get new customers through effective product trials and with an analysis of potential savings. Initial marketing will have a multifaceted approach where trade show demonstrations, published reports and articles in RFID and linen management journals, as well as making cold calls and setting up interviews with potential clients will be our cornerstone of marketing success. Growing and expanding our business by adding customers will likely be accomplished through a variety of channels. As the process becomes more commonplace and affordable, more organizations will have no choice but to follow suit as their competition does in order to cut costs and pass along the savings to their customers. As long as we keep our competition at bay, we stand to capture a large part of the growing market. Once we establish a firm and broad customer base, our presence at trade shows will grow more powerful and draw in a larger pool of clients. Physical resources involve our technology and web-based services, as well as the administrative costs of having an office building and factory floor. Our human resources will be comprised of an hourly labor force in the factory, office staff, customer service representatives, sales teams, and supply chain management. Our intellectual resources will come from our proprietary web-based access and knowledge of RFID technology and troubleshooting ability. Additional consulting will be done with our customers to help them design a process in which to best utilize our product's abilities while alleviating unnecessary process steps. Our key activities are listed on the Gantt chart and are characterized by getting financing, web development, marketing, ordering equipment, hiring our labor, and partnering with shipping. Our key partnerships rely on two main categories: joint new business development efforts between our proposed company and the web developer, and key supplier relationships between our RFID supplier and us. Administratively, we will partner with a property manager, utilities providers, insurance companies, security companies, tax attorneys, internet providers, phone services, and office suppliers. However, since none of these are listed directly create value for our products and services, I consider them an internal partnership. Our revenue model revolves around direct sales and a service contract / subscription for web-based access. As stated earlier, the total accessible market segments of hotels and hospitals use roughly 621 million pounds of linen per year. At 50 cents a pound for hospitals and 30 cents a pound in hotels, the total operating budget for both market segments is almost $300 million annually. Just an overview of our business model canvas. Our products and services offer a passive, automatic way to track the flow of textiles in and out of organizations, as well as maintaining instant feedback as to current level inventories and their location. Serviceability of the textiles can be maximized by ensuring that items are not replaced prematurely by tracking known outcomes of the wash-dry cycles. Decreasing loss from 25 to 30% down to 5% or less is our goal for our customers. Our focus is on large, national and multinational organizations that likely have high replacement costs due to lost and stolen linen. Our customer segments are planned to be explored once initial acceptance and use of the technology becomes widespread. Meeting our customers' return on investment expectations is at the heart of our customer relationship through continued customer service and sound product design. Key resources are focused on the technology, the tags, the readers, and the software. The business costs such as marketing, sales, shipping, labor, and overhead. Our key partnerships revolve around the RFID manufacturers, which are our suppliers, and the delivery services. We plan to show a high ROI for our customers through drastic reductions in replacement costs for their linen, and plan to cut costs by buying in bulk in order to take advantage of volume discounts from our suppliers. It is my firm belief that linen tracking systems should be implemented at the soonest opportunity to strike quickly and take advantage of the underserved target market segments. With a minimal amount of startup capital, LTS can position themselves to become a strong player in the linen management industry. With sights set on large, multi-site organizations, the ROI for many companies would be too good to pass up, and we would quickly become an industry leader.